Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the first year Eleanor organized a fundraising event, she invited 30 people. For each of the next 5 years, she invited double the number of people she had invited the previous year. If the function f of n is the number of people invited to the fundraiser n years after Eleanor began organizing the event, which of the following statements best describes the function f? So we're asked, is this function decreasing or increasing, and is it linear or exponential? So first of all, is it decreasing or increasing? Well, the number of people invited every year is doubling. So that means every year we have more people than the year before. So therefore it's increasing. It's not decreasing, so it's not A. It's not decreasing, so it's not C. So B, is it an increasing linear function, or is it D, an increasing exponential function? So this is going to be determined by the rate of change. If it is the same number of people, if the rate of change is the same every single year, then it's linear, right? If we're saying we're adding 5 people every year, that's linear. We're adding the same amount every single year. However, here, we're adding double. So we're going from 30 people to 60. So that's an addition of 30. Then the next year, she's inviting double 60. So that's 120. And the rate of change here is plus 60. So the rate of change is changing as time goes on. Therefore, it's an exponential function and not a linear function. D is going to be your final answer. The function f is an increasing exponential function. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.